Clearpore is a waterproof and highly breathable film dressing with a non-adherent absorbent pad designed to manage low to moderately exuding wounds. Before application, open the Clearpore dressing pouch and drop the dressing onto the sterile field. Step 1. Peel back both sides of the paper backing to reveal the adhesive surface and create side flaps to help with the placement of the dressing. Step 2. Position the dressing over the wound, ensuring it is central to the pad, and carefully remove the backing paper as you smooth over the edges to secure in place. Step 3. Once in place, carefully peel away one of the top blue-lined release carrier films at a time. Gently smooth down the edges after each removal to ensure the film has fully adhered to the skin. Clearpore can stay in place for up to 7 days, depending on the exudate level and condition of the wound. To remove the dressing, use the stretch and release technique. Starting from one corner, gently stretch the film away from the skin to break the adhesive bond and work your way around the edges until the dressing releases completely from the skin. Dispose of as clinical waste in accordance with local trust policy. Clearpore.